Wow, I did not expect to be seeing this everywhere. Would you look at this, huh? Good morning. We're starting our second day here in Siquijor, and this is going to be our ride for the next couple of days. We call it the Orange Monkey for obvious reasons. Also, being that the monkey business is the place to eat for us right now, except not for breakfast, because breakfast menu is just alright, and the main courses is where it's at. This is going to be our ride today, and we're going to go to the falls. But first, we're going to look for a place to have breakfast. Let's get to it. Well, our first stop is the Luca Loco restaurant, and I really like the menu here. It seems like it might be our new favorite stop, actually, at least for breakfast, because they have omelets, they have potatoes, which is, you know, a key ingredient for me, and it's right on the way to the waterfalls. So I have one of my favorite things to have for breakfast: a potato omelet and tocino.
Tocino, yeah.
Yeah, with eggs and rice.
Yeah.
So that's going to be us this morning. Well, we're done at the Luca Loco restaurant. Had a really nice breakfast here, and now we're going to the waterfalls. Really amazing place here. Such a beautiful road. Had to make a stop for gas first. One-stop shop convenience store for everything you need, from gasoline to cigarettes to
This is like their Shell Select.
Shell Select, yeah. And they also have Apple branded water. I wonder what Steve Jobs would have to say about this. I've never seen loose cigarettes advertised like this before. 5 pesos per cigarette. Thank you, Kuya. All right, now we're off.
About a thing. 'Cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Rise up this morning.
Message to you. Is that fun or what? See? Told you. So only the Lugnasan Falls has water right now. The Zodiac Falls unfortunately are dry at the moment, as we were told, but I'm sure it's going to be an awesome hike anyway.
The prehistoric times, this was a volcano.
Hello. Does it annoy you when other Filipinos think you're not Filipino? Oh, This looks like volcanic rock. Look at that. Amazing.
Could be.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure it is.
This, yeah, probably. Oops.
Hello. Wow, we've made it, ladies and gentlemen. This is so amazing. Oh wow. Yeah, I don't think I got the balls for that just yet.
Saca la foto.
No, I do not photo. Video.
I'll shoot it on video.
I like to go more higher. More higher, more faster.
Yeah, good idea. Go for it, Kuya.
Peda. Momento. Una. Dos. Kirikasco.
Wow, that was cool. Oh, that waterfall is pretty incredible, but now we're off to see the next one. Wow, I did not expect to be seeing this over here. That's something. How come I didn't see this in any of the travel guide videos?
Only from the local guys.
Wow. This looks really incredible. I don't think that the video can possibly give it justice. It's an amazing sight. This looks like a miniature version of the Pride Rock. Would you look at this, huh?
I wanted to catch a dragonfly, but I don't know how to.
Sun is shining. The weather is sweet. Makes you wanna move. You're dancing feet. To the rescue. Here I am. Want you to know that
Straighten it.
here I stand.
Such an amazing spot. Hey baby, does this remind you of anything?
So many things. Jamaica?
Specifically, yeah, the Blue Hole Lagoon that we're in.
Oh yeah!
Remember with the fire water?
Yes, yes. Oh my god.
Yeah. And remember
fire
how we had
water.
the water lit on fire right in front of us? This is really nice vacation.
And with the love of me.
This is what true happiness looks like.
Oh my god, baby, your feet are so pink.
Oh wow.
Oh my
They look
god.
blue.
Like glow in the dark.
Yeah. Oh my god, look at this. What the hell? That's funny.
Even from here.
Yeah. Even the trail here is beautiful. So how far is our next destination from here? Do you know?
Around 20 minutes.
Okay. Just so unfortunate that even over here you could find a lot of plastic pollution. At least it's all dumped in one location. Hopefully somebody's gonna come collect it all, but this is not the cleanest area, unfortunately. There's garbage to be found. It's not too bad, but it's not that great either. Garbage. Such an unfortunate sight. Why do we have garbage here? Aerosol can, it's even worse. We came out from a different entrance. Looks like our orange monkey has found a new friend.
Hello.
Yes, for sure. It was really nice. Freshwater spring was very enjoyable.